If you've been following and listening to our first readings this week, we've been listening to the story of Job. Today's narrative of Job is but a reminder how hope and determination was true for Job. Malakas ang pananalig ni Job na kahit na ba inuulan na siya ng mga madaming masasamang bagay, magtatagumpay pa din ang Diyos sa kanyang buhay. He may have not seen beautiful things one after the other. If you will try to read the first reading last Monday. But he knows that his vindicator, God, will continue to live. Hindi tayo tinatapos ng problema, kundi kasama ang Diyos, tinatapos natin ito. Once I already said that to be a disciple of Jesus today, in a way, comes a lot easier. There are already various means of transportation. Some are blessed with privileges. Some are in a stable community or shelter, so to say. But then, to be a disciple of Jesus then entails a lot of surprising and even present challenges. You have to set on foot towards long-distance journeys. You have to work doubly. You have to bear a lot of miseries. And I think Jesus reminded them of the different things that they will welcome and even encounter as they go on the mission. Pero kahit na ito ang mga babala ni Jesus sa kanyang mga alagad, sa paghayo niya sa mga ito, they still went to their mission. Humayo sila ng matiwasay. Alam nilang mahirap, pero nagpatuloy sila. Alam nilang pahihirapan sila. Alam nilang mabibigatan sila at sasakupin sila ng kasamaan. Pero humayo sila. And what seemed to be their energy in this life, I do believe, like Job, they know that God will live. Kasama nila ang Diyos, kaya lalaban, hahayo, at magpapatuloy. We may encounter a lot of miseries. We will also be like the disciples, lambs sent in the midst of the many wolves today. Life may ask us to let go of things, persons, and many. Generally, this life we live is a difficult one. But we hold on to this promise that God lives. Buhay ang Diyos na sasama sa ating lumaban at magpatuloy. Buhay ang Diyos na tutulong sa ating umahon. Kahit na alam nating mahirap, God lives and will not stop from raising us up. Job suffered greatly. The disciples went ahead with a very difficult mission. We may have both experiences o baka mas malala pa. But why continue? Why go along? Because God lives. God will take care, and God will be along the way.